Hi friends, this is a quick review of fructose metabolism. Fructose is absorbed at the intestinal epithelium with the help of GLUT5 transporter, and this is a facilitated diffusion. Fructose once enters into the body, it is mainly metabolized into the liver cells. In the liver, fructokinase enzyme is present, which has a very low Km for the fructose, means at a very low concentration it metabolizes the fructose. This fructose gets converted into fructose 1-phosphate with the help of this fructokinase. In other cell, hexokinase is also present, which acts on a fructose to convert this fructose into fructose 6-phosphate. This fructose 6-phosphate is an intermediate of glycolysis and it joins the glycolysis. But this fructose 1-phosphate is not an intermediate. It has to convert into the intermediate of glycolysis to join the pathway. Now, this important enzyme aldolase B, which breaks down this fructose 1-phosphate into 3-carbon product like glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. This dihydroxyacetone phosphate is the intermediate of glycolysis and it joins the glycolysis. To join the glycolysis, this glyceraldehyde has to convert into the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. It gets converted by the enzyme triokinase and this fructose joins the glycolysis. Now, this fructokinase and aldolase B are the two important enzymes required for the metabolism of fructose. Now, we will see what will happen if these enzymes are deficient. If this fructokinase is deficient, it leads to the essential fructosuria, and which is an asymptomatic condition, because the fructose which enters into the body, it slowly metabolized by the hexokinase or it gets excreted through the kidney. Why? Because our kidney doesn't have the tubular maximum, so the fructose which is present in the blood gets excreted through the kidney, and these patients are accidentally noticed when their urine shows reducing substance positive, means they shows the Benedict test positive, and with the Benedict test they also have the Selvinov test positive, which is for the keto sugar. Now, the another enzyme aldolase B. This aldolase B is a notorious. If this is deficient, then it leads to the hereditary fructose intolerance, means this is a symptomatic condition, because what happens, this fructose gets converted into fructose 1-phosphate and the ATP is utilized. So, in the liver cell there is a depletion of ATP. Due to the depletion of ATP, glycogenolysis and the gluconeogenesis gets shut down. So, it leads to the hypoglycemia and consequently jaundice, hepatomegaly, lactic acidosis. And if the patient consumes high fructose diet, it will show the signs and symptoms of hypoglycemia. So, these two enzymes are important. So, the treatment for this aldolase B deficiency is avoidance of high fructose diet. Now, 1 fructose gives 32 ATPs and the fructose entry into the cell is insulin independent. So, in diabetic patient, this fructose get metabolized nicely. Thank you.